Gabby here, and today I have a video I am so excited for. One of my really good friends does a lot of shopping on Mercari Japan, and I always see all the cute stuff she buys, and I was like, hey, how do you do that? Because I want to do that. And so she like sent me some links and I did some shopping, and I have I don't think I can show you how big the box is. Wait, let's see. Oh my god. It's like the whole screen. Now, the box is misleading because there are some other things in here that are not going to be opened in this video but will be opened in the future. But I was able to get a few clothing items secondhand that I'm very excited to be opening up for you all and doing a little try-on haul as well. But before we get into the unboxing portion, make sure you leave a like and subscribe because I post new videos every single week. And let's open the box. So I used the proxy service Bai, which I'm gonna just consider like the equivalent of like Japanese version of like Biner. Oh my god. I also paid for protective packaging, which I like that they had the option for. I don't remember how much I paid in shipping. I quite literally couldn't tell you, but basically I bought all these things individually and then they were consolidated at the warehouse. So, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I don't even know where to start. Okay, I'm gonna start with the first thing on the top. Can we talk how for protective packaging, this is insane. I mainly got protective packaging for the thing that I will be opening in Magical Girl May, but I figured it's better to be safe than sorry. So let's get into item number one, which is this beautiful Liz Lisa dress. Oh my goodness, she is so cute. I think she literally was like 10 bucks, which is insane. It's so cute. I love, 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 love. She's so pretty and has pockets. Oh my god, she's so cute. Very, very pretty. Like nice pastel floral situation. Very my vibes. So I'm very excited. Is there other things in here? Oh, and then I have a nice Liz Lisa sweater I also got. Again, pretty affordably priced. I just needed another basic cream sweater and I liked this one. It had little bows on the back. I thought it was so cute. So those two were packaged together. What's terrifying is I can see like my big thing at the bottom and I'm not gonna open it yet because I'm too excited. This was a choice on my part. I have never owned a pair of Liz Lisa boots. And what's insane is technically I have like average sized feet, but I have to buy like a large in shoes in Japan. I'm like a US 7, 6.5, 7. So let's see how these are. Oh, they're so freaking cute. Oh my god. I love these. I have a pair of brown boots that are just honestly, they're way too high up my leg for me to wear, so I'm probably gonna resell them and keep these as my brown winter boots. Especially for a lot of like himekaji looks. I feel like these boots are perfect. Oh, I'm so excited. And like the only thing I can tell is like, yeah, they were worn, but like they're so nice. There's like a little stain on this one, but they should be fine, I think. Me throwing all the packaging to the other side of the room. So this thing I bought because my friend has this in black and I thought it was so cute. Honestly, that's what inspired me to actually go on Mercari Japan, is that my friend bought this in black and I saw it and was like, that's adorable. Where did you get that? And honestly, I think this is a pretty recent Liz Lisa piece. However, it is sold out and I desperately wanted it for myself. Oh my god. And it is this beautiful tweed cardigan that I've seen people wear as like a dress, and I got the pink version. It's brand new with the tag on it. I really wanted the blue colorway, but I could not find anyone selling the blue, so I went with the pink. And then I don't remember buying this. I don't know if that other person just gave me a bonus sweater, or was this, I swear in the pictures this was brown. I might have to double check my order because I remember this sweater, but I swear it was brown in the picture. I mean, it comes off like a little bit tan on camera, but I feel like I remember this being brown. But it's really cute. It's like a deep V Liz Lisa sweater with this cute bow in the back. I love this. It's super soft. I love Liz Lisa sweaters. I love Liz Lisa in general. I like the older stuff better, so that's why I definitely wanted to check out Mercari to see what I could find. But yes, this is adorable. Now here's the thing. I think the rest of the stuff in here are my special things that I'm not gonna open yet. Me making sure there's nothing yet. There's nothing else in here besides my special things. So I'm gonna cut to my friends coming over in a bit for pre-cure day. If that's not a hint at what's in this box, I don't know what else is. But my friend's coming over for pre-cure day, and I will open the last thing from this package that you will see now, and then I will film a try-on portion of the clothes, and then separately you will see in the future what else is in this box in Magical Girl May, and I'm looking at them right now and I'm actually about to scream. Future Gabby here to insert clips of the clothing items and tell you my final thoughts and opinions. But before I talk about the clothes, I did not film a proper clip, but my friend and I got the 15th anniversary Meeple and Meeple plushes for our Cure Black and Cure White cosplays. I will insert a clip of the two of them together, but here's mine. She's so cute. They were like 30 bucks each, and we got them together, and they're like the perfect size. They're massive. I love them. I'm so happy to have her for my collection. I really need to organize my Magical Girl shelf a little more ergonomically. But for the clothes, the first thing I'm going to talk about is the long tweed cardigan. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's so beautiful. It's so perfect. It's literally brand new. Love, 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 love this piece. I cannot wait to wear it all the time. It's so cute. Then for the white sweater with the bows down the back, I love the fit of it. I love that it's kind of cropped, but not like too cropped. And I love that it has the kind of, I don't know what you call it, but it kind of cuffs at the wrists to create kind of a balloon sleeve effect, which I love. I think it's super cute. I definitely compare it with like any skirt. It's such a good basic piece to have. Then for the V-neck sweater, I do like that one more. I like the fit of that one better. I love how flattering the neckline is. I think I just overall like that one better, so I might actually, depending on what I think, I am planning to do a big like seasonal closet declutter again pretty soon. So I might actually keep the V-neck one and not get rid of, but like resell or donate the bow sweater. That's kind of what I'm debating right now. The dress is super, super cute. I do need to alter the straps just so it sits a little lower on me. They are adjustable straps, so I just have to do that. I think it's super cute. It's a good spring dress, but it is a slightly thicker material, so I definitely can't wear it when it's super hot, but it is like a really cute, like cool summer basic. I realized I did not film a clip of the boots, but I tried the boots on. They fit perfectly. They're so cute. I love the boots. The boots are literally perfect for any Hime Kaiji fit. Like it literally could go with anything. Like it's just perfect. I'm so excited to wear them. Overall, I'm super pleased with Mercari Japan. Honestly, I think I might shop there for any future J fashion pieces because I overall found that they're kept in really nice quality. They're not as overpriced as I've seen in like not Japanese Mercari. I've seen on Depop, International Mercari, eBay, etc. Like I've seen people resell some of these things for like 3 or 4 times the price, and they won't even be in that nice of quality. So I think overall I'm gonna do all my J fashion shopping through Mercari Japan. What I also like is this definitely will make other brands more accessible to me. I definitely want to try out some other brands. I love Liz Lisa. It is one of my favorite brands of all time, but I do want to kind of venture out and try some other brands. So if you have any brand recommendations that I should check out, please leave them for me in the comments down below. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, yes, you, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's right there. Woo! And follow me over on Instagram and Twitter to see cosplay content. I am hoping this summer slash spring is the spring slash summer that I finally do a fashion photo shoot. I'm fingers crossed hoping I can plan that for this year because I have so many cute pieces that I want to style and get cute photos in, and I also just want to have cute photos of myself not in cosplay. And with that, thank you all again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!